Hello, my name is Alex Andrews, and I'm the Director of Volunteer Engagement for 9 Health 365. You may know us as 9 Health Fair. For 42 years, 9 Health Fair was supporting people across Colorado with their screenings or health education, and we are in the midst of our rebranding. So if you want to learn more, go to www.9health365.org. But the real purpose of this video is to do a great big shout out to all of you, our volunteers. We started with our COVID response back in December when we were asked to run testing sites. So there were many of you that stepped up to support these testing sites that ran on a weekly basis. You put yourself in harm's way to make sure that your community members could return to their own lives in a safe manner. So whether they needed to go back to work, back to school, or anything else, you were at those testing sites with us, and they're still going now because of you. In addition to that, the state asked us to run equity vaccine clinics. So those equity sites were in locations that had inequitable access to the vaccine. And you guys stepped up in a big way at the beginning of February. We have been running vaccine clinics with you guys ever since then, and we're over 34,000 shots given to Coloradans. Hats off to you guys. That's an amazing number. We have made a big effort to get those masses vaccinated because of you guys. You guys were out there in the winter storms with us, in the wind, in outdoor and indoor clinics, learning with us side by side how we could best serve Coloradans at these vaccine clinics. And you guys did it. You were extremely patient while we got it right. And we had organizations and community members coming back to us asking us to do more. That's because of you guys. You guys helped people feel well received at these clinics, making sure that they were served well and felt well supported all the way from the entrance door to their exit after the vaccine was given. So thank you so much. We could not have done this without some other nonprofits that stepped up. The Rotary clubs around the Denver metro area supported us in a big way. There were Rotary clubs up north that helped to offer a clinic themselves in Frederick, Colorado. So thank you to the Rotarians that have been volunteering along the way since February with us. We've also had Boomers Leading Change, Spark the Change, volunteers that had signed up through the state volunteer website that heard we needed help. Lions Club members, you guys helped at our testing sites really early on in December and January. And I'm sure there are more. Whether you're a longtime 9 Health volunteer or you're from one of these other organizations, we thank you. We could not have done it without your support. I also want to mention that there was other volunteer things besides these testing sites and the actual vaccine clinics. We had people out there canvassing, and we did this work with some other partner organizations like COVID Check, CU Denver, and then our own staff and volunteers were just grouping together to help spread the word. People were making phone calls. So we had some partner organizations that we supported their clinics, like Denver Indian Health and Family Services. And we had Stride clinics where we were helping to make phone calls on a weekly basis. So if you couldn't go out there and be there, we had volunteers that were on the phone to support people and tell them where to go or help get them registered. You guys did that, and you did amazing work at getting folks vaccinated, however it worked best for your schedule. So we want you to know that we would love to stay in touch. We are excited to share that 9 Health 365 is going to still run fairs. This coming fall, we will have a whole batch of new fairs. Can't tell you exactly where those are going to be yet, but if you would like to stay in touch about these fairs or more we do around vaccine clinics, there's a very good chance that we're going to have booster shots and kiddos that are going to need to get vaccinated. So let's stay in touch with each other, and you can do that by going in the link in the email and sign up for our Volunteer Voices newsletter. So go ahead and do that, and we will keep in touch with you and let you know how you can continue supporting to keep Coloradans safe. In the meantime, we thank you very much. Enjoy your summer and hope to see you again soon. Take care.